Hello everyone, this is Airplane 312 here with...
Grant Travels or The Grant Adventures.
We have, what he was talking about was his camera and stuff. He wants to show you guys more views and stuff. And also for insurance policy, for him driving stuff. Also work as a dash cam for him.
Yeah, because the last dash cam I bought, I ended up putting in bag a lot because I happened to go from truck to bag to truck to bag. And it broke in the bag, or the cord that goes to it broke, so I couldn't charge it anymore. And I'm thinking this way, if I mount it to a hat like Airplane 312 has there, there's a little clip in here we'll show you in a minute, and you can mount it to the
And
top
we're
of
going
your
to show
hat.
you that's going to, for example, with my hat on, we're going to show you
Yeah.
a clip on there.
And I'm thinking if I mount it to the hat, then I won't have no need to put it into a bag because it'll always be clipped on to my head. And then that way, hopefully, I won't break it. And then you get first-person views, and it also solves the whole windshield problem because the dash cam would have that suction cup on the windshield, and they're only designed to be put in a car, maybe changed to a different car once a year. They're not designed to go from truck to truck to truck, and that suction cup wouldn't hold. So I would have had that problem with the dash cam down the line anyway, and then I didn't like how the dash cam did and didn't send videos over to the phone. So I'm hoping this works better with that. So
That's a mic? I might be... Oh, that's the one of the clips.
yeah, there should be 3 or 4 different versions of clips.
There's that.
And I think if I remember right, this is like a $144 camera. So it's a bit
It's
of an
$80.
investment for YouTube, but I think it will show some pretty cool videos.
I believe it's $80. I think this is a clip for your hat. No, this is the underwater one.
Underwater case, I think, something.
There's a dog barking, which I'm gonna ignore her. There's the fans. If not, I'll just show you as if it was clipped.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. Come on.
So this is where
Kinda
all my
like
money
this.
went from these last 2 or 3 truck trips I took. Was to get all this stuff so that when I hit the road next time I'll have it made better than what I did have. Oops, zoom in. I always zoom in when it's supposed to zoom out. There we go. No zooming way out. There we go. Wide angle. Figured it out.
Yeah, here's the camera. So this clips like this. And I clip back like that. Yeah, clips like that. And if he needs to, he can even do this.
Yeah. But I'm thinking the bill of the cap is going to be the way to go because then you get to see everything I see
Yeah.
as I'm driving and whatnot. It would be pretty cool, I think. Then I'll have to learn to turn my head slower because I've heard that's the complaints on the video is people move their heads fast.
Yeah, kind of like
In the video,
this.
it makes it look weird.
It'll be modifications because the best bet is to have the camera almost like this.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
the clip should be able to prop it up, straight up and down so that it is whatever angle you want it from.
But if I put it on here,
I think.
you kind of want the camera nearly out of the point of view, so when you see, it's not,
Yeah, so I'm not, yeah.
because when I put it here, that's nearly almost in my eyesight,
Yeah.
because I'm still looking and I can see.
Well, that way it reminds you the camera's there, right? And then you drive better.
Yeah, you
Hey.
can see this, but when you're looking stuff, you just, when we put in it right about
Right.
here, now I know there's a camera here, I still can see it,
Yeah.
but I can still see 180.
Yeah. And that might be the way to go. Take the camera out and hook it on that thing and see what kind of angles you can get with it off the side.
It was bad fingernails. Over time, you can see it. Should have a little battery life. If not, we'll charge it, and we'll charge it, and hopefully we can make a video before he leaves and stuff
Yeah.
to test it.
Oh yeah.
He's going to keep it probably no matter.
Well, yeah, it was a $144 investment, so I hope it works with your phone pretty good. It's supposed to
I
send it over.
searched for this one. I think it's the exact same one.
Oh yeah.
In fact, since he's on that, I'll pull up the Amazon app and take a picture of his. It should pull up the current price.
Yeah.
For this exact one, right now, what it looks like, confirming, it's about $65.
55?
65.
Oh, so maybe only spent like 55. I don't know. I have to look.
And 128 gigabyte small body count, the white version, is $79. So $80.
Yeah, there's different sizes. I think I took the third most expensive or something like that. It was like more memory on it.
And there's the one that's $140. Well, I wonder how much memory that is.
Something like that is why.
That's 128 gigs.
Yeah, that's why I think I picked it, because it's the same as my phone memory. Because I figured, that way.
There's some. This one is 4K.
Yeah.
And yeah, you're hearing a dog bark. And this is a mini one. It's 4K too, 365 degrees and stuff, and it's
Yeah. 'Cause
$79.
there was a couple cheaper versions. I remember that, and
This one's 128 gigs too.
Yeah.
The one I'm looking at right now. As you can see in this video, I'll try not to show, see if I don't show any personal information. As you can see,
Yeah.
and there's the price right there.
Yeah. Yeah. But I made an investment into the channel, at least. See, then you have these angle clips. I think you can change the angle with that. Or something.
Yeah, but this is for the mounting.
Oh, for a regular mount?
Yeah.
And then your little handle joystick thingy.
And before we do, we're going to review the video and stuff to make sure any personal information is blocked out from the video that I showed you about the price.
Right. Should undo these in the bag and see what we got. What is this?
And yeah, you're hearing a dog bark, and I'm ignoring her.
She wanted out so she can be out for a while again.
Oh, I know what this is.
What? A watch band thingy? With the...
Yes, that's what it is.
So you can put your camera on the watch? Oh, that's kind of neat. Although that'd be a really weird way to film, but okay. Can't imagine the angle on that camera view. I don't know. Oh well, that would go over.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
And please don't correct us and stuff, because that we probably know what that is. Really, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. You put a housing case around your wrist. Huh.
And this must be the extension deal, because yeah, this is the extension. So if you have a really big,
Oh, so you can strap it onto something else.
could it go on your forehead?
I mean, you can probably make it going in for it. I don't know if it's designed for that.
And yes, I caught you guys before you say, hey,
Oh,
I could...
here you go. This is the one I like. It's the neck one. It's a necklace for that magnetic or something, so you can put the camera onto the magnet.
Come on.
But I think like the other one would angle all over the place, dingle all over the place as you're running or doing whatever. I don't know how good of a footage you would get there either.
Let's see. It's not fully secure. Yeah, just barely. This had a little bit more that would fit my foot.
I'm not sure it's supposed to go around your head. It can go around your neck.
Like this?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Dog collar. Get put it on dog cam.
There, you see? We're gonna make
Yeah, there you go.
making fun of me.
Dakota could go be your new star. Put
Anyone
it on
else
dog cam
want
and go out there?
anyone else want to make a funny comment about that? Just make a comment below. So he's probably gonna talk to you. So I'm gonna go let the
Right.
dogs in and out real quick. God damn.
Has a bunch of interesting different hooks like this. This is a necklace that's magnetic, so you could just magnetize the camera right to it and take it off as you need. All sorts of different angles. This one's got the sticky stuff, so you can stick that to some permanent mount. But this is the size of your camera. Teeny tiny, about the size of my thumb, which is what I liked about it, as long as I don't lose it somewhere.
And see, this is not this. It's the next thing. And yeah, this is gonna be raw footage, by the way, so we can actually show you. That's a
Yeah, it's a necklace you wear. It's supposed to be magnetic or something. You just click it on there.
like that.
Which is kind of neat, but you know, to carry it around when you're not videoing anything would be kind of neat. But to carry it around as you're videoing, that would
Yeah, like that.
perfectly drive me nuts. Seeing the camera view jump up and down everywhere. But when you're not videoing, it's kind of neat to have it there, so you can just take it off and point it to whatever you want and click the start button, and this is what this is. And when you're done, you can put it back on your neck.
Yeah, for me, if I'm gonna wear this, it feels kind of weird for me to have a string like that. So I'm probably gonna wear it like that's what my the t-shirt's gonna hold.
When you're out and about, walking around and doing stuff, you know, like that.
Yeah, like this around my neck, that feels uncomfortable for me.
Yeah.
That's the one complaint that I have.
And I'm sure as you're walking, it's gonna flop all over the place. I'm not sure how good it would stay on or not. Yeah, I guess maybe it stays more than I thought. Yeah, maybe.
When we do the wake, or whatever you want to guys call it, the dance, the potty dance.
Yeah, there you go. Got the dance.
See, now you can see me.
Yeah, there you go. See, that filming on that on camera would be like, ugh, it would drive me nuts. I would think once looking at that video. But
There, you guys can make fun of Airplane, especially Porky.
anyway, that's it for that video. Like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. We'll catch you on the next flip.
Peace out.